A heart, the pump of our inner system that sends blood to every tip and corner of the body. Heart attack can happen so suddenly and unexpectedly. What options do we have to protect our lives from a heart attack? AED, short for Automated External Defibrillator, helps the heart to beat again by delivering electric shocks to a person who has the sudden cardiac arrest. The chance of survival increases by 5 times when CPR and AED are used for emergency treatment within 4 minutes. The miracle of 4 minutes. One's life is the most precious value and must be protected. RadianQbio Co. Limited. Everyone is spending another peaceful day. But a heart failure may attack someone without a warning. Someday, if a member of your family, friends, or neighbors has collapsed from a heart failure, don't panic. Check if the patient is conscious and breathing. Pick someone in particular around you and ask the person to call to emergency rescue team and ask for an AED, then perform CPR immediately. By compressing the chest of the patient, blood will circulate through the heart, brain, and all over the body, and the progress to a brain death can be delayed. Using an AED is very important to recover the normal heart rhythm of the patient, because a cardiac arrest cannot be treated by CPR only. Turn on the power button and, for those who are 8 or older or weigh 25 kilograms or heavier, select Adult Mode. For those who are 7 or younger or weigh 25 kilograms or less, select Child Mode. For adults, place a pad by pressing the center, under the right collarbone and another one under the left breast area below the armpit. For child uses, place the pads on the centers of the chest and back. Make sure no one is touching the patient while the AED is analyzing the ECG, the electrocardiogram, and follow the voice guidance. If AED determines that an electrical shock is not necessary, the voice guidance will tell you so. If an electrical shock is needed, AED will start charging. After delivering the shock, follow the voice guidance to start CPR. Repeat 30 chest compressions followed by 2 breath cycle. AED will automatically analyze the heart rhythm every 2 minutes. Repeat delivering shocks and performing CPR according to the voice guidance from AED machine. Keep doing them until the patient becomes conscious or an emergency rescue team arrives. You can do for saving a life. Small, compact design and lightweight device. Quick to examine ECG and charging. Fast delivery of shocks. User's manual and the voice guidance making it easy to use for even a layperson. Heart Guardian in AED by RadianQbio is provided in multi-use facilities, sports centers, homes, companies, and many other public places for anyone to use in times of emergency. We have been making continuous improvements to our AED machines to save the lives more quickly. You too can be the one who saves a precious life. Heart Guardian in AED by RadianQbio automatically checks and inspects its functioning and condition every day. Also, it performs a monthly test on the charging and discharging to make itself fail-proof in an emergency. The used batteries and pads are easily replaceable. A label at the back of the pad shows the expiry date. Any pad older than 2 years must be replaced by a new one. Operation of battery is guaranteed for 4 years from the date of manufacturing. Make sure to replace the battery after the period. For replacement of components or after-sales services, please contact a dealer office in each region. Quick and easy for anyone to use. Safer and faster. Life is the most precious value and must be protected.
RadianQbio Co. Limited.